In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Excel with percentages. First, open Microsoft Excel. You can either open an existing worksheet that already contains your data or start with a new blank workbook if you're creating the chart from scratch. Before you insert the chart, make sure your data is organized properly. This is important because Excel uses the structure of your data to build the chart automatically. You'll want one column for your categories and one column for your values. For example, you might have categories like apples, oranges, and bananas in the first column and their corresponding sales numbers in the second column. Keeping the labels and values clean and aligned will help Excel generate the pie chart correctly. Once your data is ready, select both columns including the headers. Highlighting the full data range tells Excel exactly what information should be included in the chart. If the headers are included, Excel can also use them to label the chart more clearly. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Charts section, click Insert Pie or Donut Chart, then choose the standard 2D pie option. As soon as you click it, Excel will create a pie chart based on the data you selected. This gives you a quick visual breakdown of how each category contributes to the whole. Now that the chart is inserted, the next step is to add labels. Click on the pie chart so it becomes active. Then click the plus sign, also called the Chart Elements button, next to the chart. From there, check the box for data labels. This will place labels directly on the slices, making the chart easier to read. To show percentages, click on any of the data labels that appear on the chart. Then right-click and choose Format Data Labels. A formatting panel will open. In that panel, check the option for percentage. If you only want percentages to appear, you can also uncheck value. This helps keep the chart clean and focused, especially if you want viewers to quickly compare proportions rather than raw numbers. At this point, each slice of the pie chart should display its percentage of the total. If you'd like, you can also customize the chart further by changing the chart title, adjusting the colors, adding a legend, or even moving the chart to a new sheet. These optional edits can make your chart more polished and presentation ready. Finally, save your file so